hear some words from them as they get situated. In front of them is a group of VIPs. Bob Behnken on the left, Doug Hurley on the right. We should be hearing some words from them coming up here shortly.
You know, this has been a quite an odyssey the last 5, 6, 7, 8 years. 5 years since Bob and I started working on this program. And to be where we are now, the first crewed flight of Dragon, is just unbelievable.
There's something special about having that capability to launch and bring your own astronauts home. And we went through a lot of years without that capability. And I think we're both super proud to have been just a small part of the team that accomplished bringing those space flights back to the Florida coast and bringing that capability back to America.
You know, I'm not very religious, but I prayed for this one. So just once again, thanks everyone at SpaceX, NASA. You know, I think this is something that the whole world can take some pleasure in and can really look at this as an achievement of humanity. And there's, you know, these are difficult times when, you know, there's not that much good news. And I think this is one of those those things that is universally good, no matter where you are on planet Earth. This is a good thing, and I hope it brightens your day. Thank you.